Hi guys, hello. Welcome to just a quick update. This is a quick live with me, Jared Johnson. We're going to talk a little bit about some of these cryptocurrencies. They are on the move. They're majorly on the move. So let's have a little look at what they're doing and what they're up to. I think we've got some great things to look at here. I'm just going to target a couple of the major ones, right? Because we're really kind of more interested in just the movement that's happening. A lot of the cryptos are just getting hammered right now. But again, you know, Bitcoin is kind of the mothership, and so what happens there often happens across a lot of the other cryptos. Not always the case, but that's kind of the leader of the pack, so to speak. Anyone else hear that oldie song? Rum, rum. Okay, anyway. So Bitcoin is super interesting, as are several other pairs. And as you can see, I've already got it written in here. I'm looking for two buy zones on Bitcoin, actually. Number one, basically 8,300 to 9,000 to get us started. That gets us kind of started. Let me update that just so that we can really appreciate what is going on here. I think this level is really good. So I'm just going to call this 8,300. Forget the 9,000. Let's just say we're looking at 8,300. Now, if a massive, crazy, wild, absolutely nuts sell-off happens, which is kind of happening right now, I am crazy curious about. And I'm not saying this is going to happen, but it could. It could. I'm crazy curious about 5,000. 5,000 and 8,000 are basically the two levels I'm looking for. I start to see that, and I think, yeah, I'd be okay with starting to, put a couple of buy trades on 8,300, a couple of buy trades 5,000, and anywhere in the middle. Will there be drawdown? I'd say probably, but we're buying something, so it's not necessarily drawdown. It's just is the value of our Bitcoin going to fluctuate much? And I think probably so. But what do you guys think? Do you guys think buying in the $5,000 to $8,000 region of Bitcoin that's at a high of 20,000 is a bad investment? Is a bad buy? If it is, I love bad investments. I love buying in horrible places because this is such a good area to be jumping in. So I really like this little zone right here on these guys. So again, 5,000 to 8,300 is kind of where I'm watching things real closely on Bitcoin. So keep an eye on that. We're on a pretty good slide. We're at about 11,000 right now. This thing's been coming down pretty hard. This is a great little trend line. This was the last area I told everyone to buy Bitcoin, and it was there for several minutes, and it came ramming right back up again. Don't be surprised if we get a little bit of a double bottom right here. That would not be surprising at all, and that could be a good little spot to kind of see this. See a little bit of a bounce and a movement happen like that. But also do not be surprised to see that level break and to get a test of this 8,300 and even potentially 5,000. So yes, that's a good thing. We like that. So that's what I'm looking for. These are my two levels on Bit and Coin. If we're looking at some of the other ones, I'm a huge fan of Ripple. I think Ripple is just a goody gumdrop here. So we want to get in on some of this Ripple. Where do we want to get in on Ripple? 60 cents. Do I want to get in at 60 cents on Ripple? Hell yeah, I do. That's going to be a fantastic spot to be getting in on this thing. So Ripple looks really good. Are we going to get all the way down there? I hope so. I really hope so, actually. I really hope so, because if we get down there, I'm going to buy some thousands of Ripples at that level. So 60 cents looks really good. I was watching Ripple and it was kind of bouncing around a lot, and I thought, what's this going to do? Are we going to be able to hold on to this 150, 160? I was interested in that area. Kind of bounced up a little bit. We got to $2, and it's just starting to hammer right back down again. 60 cents, great area, great area. This is a good spot to be looking to buy into some Ripple. We see 60 cents. I'm getting in pretty good. I'd say I'm getting in real good right around there. So keep an eye on Ripple, 60 cents. I like that zone. We've got a couple of others. I'm not really doing too much on Litecoin. I don't really even care about that one at all. But I am pretty interested in Ethereum. This is a This is a good little one that is really, really worth keeping a close eye on. So let's see how Ethereum does. Don't hesitate to send your questions over, by the way, guys. Let's hear it. Mr. Kober, Matthew Kober, what's up? Lucky winner. How you doing, Lucky? You feeling lucky? Because I think you're feeling lucky. Nice to see you guys. What's happening? What's happening? Am I supposed to be seeing some? There we go. Good to see you guys. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking for on some of these. Ethereum, Ethereum really is turning into the mothership. If Ethereum doesn't completely overtake Bitcoin, I'll be surprised. This is where everything is kind of built off. And as you guys know that, have a little bit of cryptocurrency background or knowledge, a huge majority, almost all, in fact, of the new coins that are coming out are based on Ethereum's blockchain. So, Ethereum built this big airport and everybody's flying into it. So that's the best way I can describe it. So Ethereum's massive. It's got a big thing going on. I could see a massive move to the upside on Ethereum. This is, I would almost say that I feel like this is the long-term, the long-term investment. This is the Bitcoin now, and this is probably what everybody should be watching. So let's keep an eye on that. Long it's not coming. Hey, Lucky. Oh, what's up, Scott? Scotty, how you doing? So anyways, guys, yeah, I think Ethereum's a really good one. What am I looking for in Ethereum? Well, 650 to 750 is probably the best way to say it. Is kind of where I like that. Let's just update that. We're gonna call this 650 to 750. Am I pulling these numbers out of my you-know-what? Maybe. But these are, interestingly, I'm pretty new to trading. I've been doing it for just barely 15 or 16 years now. Cryptocurrencies can do a heck of a job with technical analysis. In fact, they're probably more technically responsive than any other market right now. That's good news. So technical analysis tells us 650, 750 is a great spot to be buying into to Ethereum. Now, it's got a long ways to go. I mean, it's in 1,016 right now. We have this little low. This was our, what was this, December, oh no, it's January. Where was our big, there's our big spike. That's our December 22nd one. So, watch kind of previous levels, right? These previous guys are always worth keeping an eye on. There's a lot of good stuff right here. This moving average, the market reacts really nicely to this one. That's 950. So 950 is going to be probably a little bit of a short-term kind of decision point. Is it going to bounce off 950? Is it going to bounce, plow through 950? Keep in mind, to get to some of these levels that I'm talking about, 950 will probably happen over the next 24 hours, maybe. Maybe less, maybe, maybe more. Hey, Kelly, nice to see you. What's up, Kelly? So 950 is like a guaranteed level we're going to reach. That's our little short-term decision point. I really, really, really like 650 to 750. So we start getting into that 750 and lower. I'm just buying Ethereum, and I don't care if it goes down to $11. I will be very happy getting in at 650 to 750 on this one. But 950 is going to be a little bit of a spot to watch for, so keep an eye on that. So basically the ones that I'm watching closely, Ethereum, love it. Ripple, I love it. Keep an eye on some of these levels, right? We're plowing through some stuff, but this is a really good spot, 60 cents. If we get down here, I mean, if the crypto gods are listening, I'm praying that it does get down there and that we can get some buys into that dip zone there. And then, again, same kind of situation on Bitcoin right here. And this is all recorded, so you guys will be able to, review all this stuff. Same thing right here. This is about 10,500 is going to be a little bit of a decision point on Bitcoin as well. So moves below that takes us into 80, into 8,000 area. If that holds, then it holds, and just know that that's there, 10,500. So a couple of decision points. 10.5 is going to be, a spot to watch. And a bounce or a break could very likely be happening there. And if it does break, we've got some really, really good levels down below. So watch 10,500. Look for, the $8,000 area on Bitcoin. Look for 60 cents on Ripple. Please get there. Pretty please get there. Watch 950 on Ether. Looking for a move down into 650, 750 area. Those would be great. Hopefully that's helpful. Anyone have any questions? Any crazy cryptos you want to bring up, talk about, discuss? I am all ears. So let me know. Let me know. If you guys feel like you'd be interested in a very short educational course on cryptos, and nothing that's too ridiculously crazy, but something that's just, here's how to move your money around. There's kind of a lot of details involved in just simply opening an account and getting your money somewhere other than, Bitcoin and so on. I mean, you want to buy Ether, and it's a multi-step process, or excuse me, Ripple. It's a multi-step process. You got to work on that a little bit. Hey, Carlos. Yeah, I just talked about Ethereum. What do you? I got that chart up right there. Watch 950. If that holds, that could be a nice little spot. So look for some big rejection there. But 650, 750 is kind of the area I really want to buy into Ethereum. Scott, number one, it needs to come out very soon. Number two, we're big Telegram users. Scott, if anyone doesn't know here, Scott's in my trade group. And I use Telegram for a lot of mobile trade alerts. And Telegram's actually coming out with what they're expecting to be one of the largest initial coin offerings, ICOs as they call it. They're going to build their own blockchain, their own whole situation. They're building everything from the ground up. That might be interesting. Then I can send a text message and steal money from somebody, which would be awesome. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Questions, comments, shoot them over. Let me know. This will be posted. Recording will be up. And let's see what these cryptos do. I really hope this slide continues. If anybody bought in at the top of anything, I'm sorry for you, but I hope it continues because we're going to have some really great opportunities to buy some dips. Buy some dips. Hey, Nicolas. I am watching Stellar a little bit. Is it going to follow Ripple? We'll see. We'll see. Remind me on that one, and I will. I'll do some analysis on that. Yeah. Hey, London. Details for joining the group. Yeah, London. Shoot over. Send me a message on here, and I'll give you some details. We've got a couple of different things in the works, so shoot me over a message, and I'll give you some details. I've got a trade group that focuses more on currencies, regular currencies, but we're definitely doing a lot of looking into the cryptocurrencies and so on. So any Forex traders out there, we've got a lot of great stuff there. But I've been trading cryptos for a little while now and had some really good success with that. So to the point where everybody I know calls me to ask me about cryptocurrencies and how to set it up. And I've had to schedule friends of mine out like 2 weeks. Like, hey, man, I will definitely talk to you in mid-February, and I love you so much. But, yeah, send me a message, London. We'll chat. Thanks for watching, everybody. I got to run. Duty calls. Duty calls. Okay, London. Well, there you go. Yeah. Hey, London, head over and just jump on my email list. Go to daytradersfx.com and jump on the email list. And I will hook you up with the info. So anybody has any questions, any currency traders, crypto or Forex, I got you covered. I got you covered. I trade Forex. My account is looking good. Great, lucky winner. I'm happy to hear that. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. I'll have more updates coming mañana. Mañana. I have to jump on an airplane and fly to Utah tomorrow, so I'm so excited about being freezing cold. If there's any Utahns in here, maybe I'll stop by and say hi. Or maybe you can stop by and say hi. Maybe we can just high five from a distance. Okay, guys. Good chatting. Take care. Send me some messages. I'm here to help.